Magandang umaga. Sa dami ng mga mainit na issue ngayon, ito ang pinakahuli ko ata ngayon sa umagang ito na tatalakayin. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Ito pala yung kung sinong may pakana sa flood control projects na inanod ng baha ay pilit tinatago nila ni Tambaluslos kung sino may pakana. Pero alam naman natin ang lahat na walang iba kung sino, at yan po ay si Saldico. Si Saldico po ang may pakana ng lahat ng mga kabulastugan na nangyayari sa flood control projects. Kung bakit maraming yumaman. Ibig sabihin, lahat po ng yumaman yan ay dikit kay Saldico. Siya naglagay, siya nagmaniobra kung saan siya ng pundo. Minaniobra niyang pundo sa Oriental Mindoro, pero mahigit 8 kontrata nakuha niya na flood control projects, mahigit bilyon sa Oriental Mindoro. Siya rin naglatag ng mga lahat ng flood control sa Albay, sa Sorsogon, sa lahat-lahat na lugar sa buong Pilipinas. At lahat yan, mind you, pinakamalaki, 9 billion ang kontrata nakuha niya mula noong 2022 hanggat sa 2025. Kay Sara Diskaya naman na very obvious na tao nila ay nakalista sa kanyang pangalan sa kanyang Alpha and Omega na construction firm ang 7 billion na flood control projects. At tapos sa kanyang kumpanya na St. Timothy, another 7 billion. So, 14 billion na. At meron pa si Sara Diskaya sa kanyang kumpanya na St. Gerard. Yan po ay 2 billion. So, 16 billion tumataginting. So, nakikita na natin, ang iba pang malaki dyan, matindi. Si MG Sumigad, isang babae. Ang kanyang kapital ay 250,000 pesos. Pero nakakuha ng kontrata mahigit 5 billion pesos. Panay lahat ng kontrata niya sa Abra. Ito ba'y bata ni Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin? Baka. Pero, I tend to believe na siya ay bagman din o bagwoman din ni Tambaluslos na ginagamit nila ni Saldico. Lahat sila, sa pangalan nila, kumikita sila ng ganun kalaki. Pero ang hindi natin alam, malaking bahagi ng proyekto na yun ay ibinigay sa mga kung sino ang nagpasimuno ng proyekto na yun. Kay Saldico at saka kay Romaldis. At mind you, parang napulis din ito style na may programa pero hindi ginasta. Ganito rin may flood control program, projects, pero hindi natin malaman kung meron. At kung meron man, palpak pa. So, yan po ang lumalabas sa kwento ngayon. Ayon nga kay G.V. Hercito. Balahura na, kumikita na mga sa kontrata. Gusto pa walang kontrata, kinaka-copy-paste lamang ang mga proyekto tapos kukunin sa pera. Ganun po nangyayari. Greetings sa Blexby, Ben Reclamador, Bernard Magtibay. So ito po ang ating tunghayan. Pakinggan natin ang kinwestiyon ni Dabotas Congressman Toby Tiangco na isa rin na malapit sa kamag-anak ni BBM dahil siyang asawa niya ay konektado sa pamilya ni BBM. Tinanong niya yung bagong appropriations na committee chairman na si Representative Swansing ng Nueva Ecija. Ito po, i-presenta natin sa inyo.
Meeting is resumed.
Yan.
As a response to the Honorable Chanco, we will look into the records and
Madam-
look at the
Madam Chair.
particular item. The subject matter of today's hearing is the briefing on the 2026 budget. So this is an internal matter that may
No,
be
it's
taken
not.
up with the Committee on Appropriations
No, it's
separately. So
Madam
we will,
Chair, starting Wednesday, tatanungin natin yung mga department.
Sa una pa lang ay gusto na ni Congresswoman Swansing na tao ni Romualdez na harangan ang mga tanong ni Congressman Toby Chanco. Internal matter daw. Ibig sabihin, ayaw niya ipayagan na magtatanong si Congressman Toby Chanco. Pero nag-insist si Toby Chanco, no, it's not. No, it's not. Pakinggan natin pagpatuloy. Tingnan natin kung nakapagsalita si Toby Chanco at kung tagumpay ba siya sa kanyang minimiti.
Paano nila ginastos yung budget nila? Paano natin sila tatanungin kung paano nila ginastos yung budget nila? Kung hindi natin alam paano sila nabawasan at paano sila nadagdagan.
Correct.
we will be able to, we will
Ngayon, ganito Ang tanong po ni Toby Chanco, ang ibig lang po sabihin nun sa tanong niya ay, ang budget kasi dapat yung malaman ang konteksto, ang batas po ng budget. Kapag nilatag na ng Malacanang, hanggang dito lamang ang ating budget. 6.23 trillion. Okay? Pag 6.23, hindi mo pwede dagdagan yan. Bawal sa congressman magdagdag. So anong gagawin ngayon ng congressman para maipasok din ang kanyang proyekto? Tatanggalin ang budget sa ibang mga bagay na nilagay ng Pangulo. At kung matanggalan na, o di kayo bawasan. At yung makukuha nila sa binawas nila, ilalagay nila sa proyekto nila na isisigit mga flood control projects. Ganon po ang taktika ni Saldico at saka ni Tambaluslos kung bakit maraming yumaman sa flood control projects. So ngayon, pakinggan natin ulit.
So
Madam Chair, starting Wednesday, tatanungin natin yung mga departamento paano nila ginastos yung budget nila. Paano natin sila tatanungin kung paano nila ginastos yung budget nila kung hindi natin alam paano sila nabawasan at paano sila nadagdagan.
we will be able to scrutinize the performance of the different agencies as well as the utilization of the different line items based on the 2025 performance.
Ito tinatago mo, Swansing. Mag-resign ka na dyan. Isa ka pa. Kabastos sa'yo.
No.
So this does not preclude us from doing that scrutiny.
Meron ba o wala?
We would
Simple
have to look into the records.
Isa lang, simple lang hiningi. Meron bang listahan kung paano nabawas at nadagdagan ang mga budget?
May I ask exactly what you are asking for?
The small committee report of the 2025 budget that has just asked the COMSEC kung meron o wala. Kung meron, why was it not filed sa archives based on our rules 15 days after? So meron ba o wala?
Yun, sagutin mo. Simpleng tanong lang. Simpleng sagot. Meron? Kung meron. Wala? Kung wala.
Simple. Kung meron, bakit hindi na-file sa archives? Kung wala, I will let you proceed, Madam Chair. I will not hold this budget hostage. Gusto ko lang malaman, meron o wala?
The HGAB itself, the output of the small committee is already embedded into the HGAB itself.
Ikaw talaga, huwag ka na magrason na hindi na mga bubo mga Pilipino, Swansing. Paris pa naman tayo sing ang dulo, pilido. Sarap mo sampalin. Bastos. Karapatan namin mga tao, malalaman yan.
So that's the report. That's the output of the small
It's
committee.
not the report, Madam Chair. Based on our rules, each committee must come out with a report. No committee is exempted from coming out with a committee report.
Yan. Sigutin mo. Walang exemption. Dapat lahat may report.
Please check Section 39 of Rule 9 of our rules.
Wala may sasagot. Yan pre ang problema kasi niya,
Kasi
Swansea.
di ba kung meron, ang dali-dali naman, di ba
Pag-corrupt
wala?
kayo, na marami kayong tinatago. Corrupt ka talaga.
So
Corrupt.
The small committee is subsumed within the Committee on Appropriations, and it is the Committee on Appropriations who's required to submit the
dahilan ka
committee
na naman.
report. In this case, the report and the output of the Committee on Appropriations is the HGAB.
No, it's not.
Tagwag ka talaga, ha? Ano ka talaga? Sarap mo kung pwede lang, kung hindi lang bawal, kung yung gusto mo, kusion kung hindi imo nga kwan, ng ilong.
The HGAB is different from a committee report. Just like any other bill, the bill is different from the committee report. There must be a committee report included to the bill. It is not one and the same.
Oh, yan. Nalikturan ka pa ni...
At the
ni Kwan.
point of after the committee hearings are done, the Committee on Appropriations comes out with a committee report and then it moves to plenary, at which point we approve it and the small committee works. So now the output of the Committee on Appropriations, once that is elevated to the plenary, is the HGAB.
No.
So there's no
Dahilan
other
ka pa.
committee report that needs to be furnished by the Committee on Appropriations apart from the HGAB
It
itself.
is not exempted from our rules, Madam Chair. Maliwanag, Section 39. Gusto niyo basahin niyo? Okay. I will ask the committee secretariat, how many meetings were held?
Oh, hindi masagot.
There were 2 meetings.
2 meetings. Did you follow, nasaan yung minutes ng meetings?
Yun. Minutes para malaman kung ano nangyari. Para malaman kung sino nagsigit ng mga flood control budgets.
Where were the meetings held? What date?
Yun. Hindi masagot-sagot. Hindi masagot-sagot. Parang pinahiya. Pinahiya si Swansing kasi mga tambaluslos sa mga bisita ng mga sekretary.
Madam Chair, I can read Section 39 of our rules to make it clear that the committee report is different from the HGAB, but I don't want it to take up my time. Iba po yun eh. Kasi tignan nyo, yung BICAM, di ba may BICAM report? Doon sa BICAM report, teka muna, ba't umaandaw yung oras ko? Hindi pa nila natatapos yung
Ninakawan
issue
ka sa oras.
na-raise ko. Doon sa BICAM report, nakasulat, okay, yung BICAM report, pinipintasan natin. Pero yung BICAM report, may nakasulat doon kung alin yung nabawasan, alin yung nagdagdagan. Dito sa HGAB, wala tayong makita kung alin yung nabawasan, alin yung nadagdagan.
With the indulgence of Representative Chanco, so the COMSEC is currently looking into the specific request as well as the level of detail that you are requesting.
No, within 5 minutes, I need the committee report.
If we may please move on to the other questions
Yes,
while
but-
they're working on
Yes,
this.
I will. But if within 5 minutes wala yan, ibig sabihin wala yan, ngayon palang gagawa yan. Ang gusto natin na committee report is the same as the BICAM. Okay? The same as the BICAM. Nakasulat kung saan binawas, saan nadagdag. Okay, I will mention why it is very important. Okay, ito may 2 distrito, no? At sino ang nag-introduce ng amendment? May 2 distrito, hindi naman to kasalanan ng congressman doon sa distritong yon. Ang NEP nila is 2.530 billion. And then pagdating sa GAA, naging 20.999 billion.
Oh, grabe. 2.5 to 29.
Isa pa, 1.508583 billion sa NEP. Pagdating sa GAA, 20 billion 795. So, tapos ang pinasok lang sa BICAM dito is 5 billion and 4 billion each. So, ang napasok dun sa small committee is 13 billion. Doon sa isa, yung isa 14 billion. So, sino yung nagpasok ng 13 billion na yun at saan tinanggal yun?
Okay, hindi masagot. Yan yun, pinasok sa mga flood control projects.
So again, the small committee is subsumed within the Committee on Appropriations, and it is not required to render a
No, no, no,
separate
no, I
committee
didn't.
report. The rule that you are citing, Honorable Chanco, pertain to standing committees. And the mother committee in this case of the small committee is the Committee on Appropriations.
Yes, but did we exempt the Committee on Appropriations not to submit a committee report? No.
Again, the committee report of the Committee on Appropriations at the plenary level is the HGAB itself.
Yeah, but all meetings, dito sa ating rules, all meetings must be on record. So it's not only the committee report, dapat yung small committee na yon, meron silang report na finurnish lahat.
Again, if with the indulgence of the Honorable Chanco, the COMSEC is looking into the request, if we may move to the next question.
Okay, I will move to the next question.
Thank you very
mukhang
much.
wala talaga. Signed committee report
Estado.
showing ano yung binawa, saan napunta. Okay. So it's only now, Madam Chair, that you found out that there is no small committee report? Madam Chair, it's only today that you found out that there's no small committee report?
Again, Representative Chanco, I was not the chairperson of the Committee on Appropriations at time, nor was I linked to the budget deliberations or the deliberations of the small committee. So this is something that we are looking into based on your query.
Okay.
Okay, tanongin si Saldico.
So,
Si Saldico ang Appropriations
you
Committee
mentioned
nun.
in a press conference that you will have a subcommittee on budget amendments to replace the small committee. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Does it mean that we will now strictly follow section 56 and 57 of our rules, that before after we approve on second reading, no further amendments will be made?
Yes, that is correct.
So, lahat ng individual amendments will be tackled before approval on second reading?
All amendments of institutional nature will all be included in the version of the bill that will be approved on second reading.
No, not institutional. I'm referring to committee and individual amendments.
Technically speaking, yes, both committee and individual amendments as moved, as tackled during the period of amendments in the plenary.
So after the second reading, wala na pong babaguhin?
Yes, that is correct.
Okay. Sumunod, sino po ang mga miyembro ng small committee at paano sila pinili?
As of now, it's an ongoing discussion. It will not be small.
The
It's actually
subcommittee on budget amendments.
Yes. So we are looking into representatives nominated by each of the political parties, plus the party list coalition, plus members of the minority. So we are looking at least 10 members. So discussions are still ongoing. So I'm unable to say definitively how many the members are and who the members are.
So sinabi niyo po, political parties, majority, minority.
That is correct.
Bakit wala pong representative ang independents? Hindi pa po kami dapat tumingin din sa budget?
That could be considered. Thank you very much for pointing that out, Representative Shanko.
So is it a affirmative that the independents will be represented?
Madam Chair, point of order, Madam Chair. Kasi kanina I was asking kung ano ito, kung hearing ito o briefing. Ang sagot sa akin, briefing. Sa naririnig ko parang hearing. Because we are now discussing, things that are properly discussed in the committee itself. So, with apologies to my friend Congressman Chanco, baka maybe that can be discussed in a formal APRO meeting.
Yan na
kasi
naman kayo.
we have our resource persons here that
Tinatago niyo talaga.
probably are wondering why they are listening to all of this. And so that also the briefing can proceed, Your Honor.
Yes, to my friend, of course, the respected Honorable Puno. But on Wednesday, we will ask them how they spent their funds. So I think we all also should know whether they were deducted funds or added funds before we ask them how they. Di ba po parang pag kahit bata, pag humingi ng allowance, bago humingi ng bagong allowance, titignan muna kung paano ginastos, di ba? So, and I'm winding up. Tech Puno, Congressman Puno.
No, I am not unhappy with the questions. In fact, some of them are my own questions also. I was just observing that the ruling was that this is a briefing. So I myself have been forced to revise some of the questions I was going to ask. But thank you for your lead on this.
Okay, next. Lahat po ba dapat digital na ngayon? Bakit wala pong soft copy ang HGAB?
Wala pa pong HGAB
Hindi.
for
Kung sabihin
fiscal
ng
year
2025 HGAB, wala pong soft copy yan. So bakit po kaya walang soft copy ang HGAB? Kung yung NEP may soft copy na pinapublish po yung DBM, kung yung GAA na papublish po may soft copy, bakit po kaya walang soft copy yung HGAB? At sigurado po ba tayo na magkakaroon ng soft copy ang HGAB ngayong 2026 budget?
So the requirement of the transmission between the House and the Senate is for hard copies during the 19th Congress. So that's the version that was prepared by the House, because that's the requirement of the Senate in terms of the transmittal. Now, though, we are changing that, and we are now moving more towards a digital format, which will render to the members of the House.
Okay, yun lang po. So you commit that doon sa 2026 budget, meron na pong soft copy
Yes, we commit.
ng after third reading.
Yes, we commit.
Okay. So thank you po. 3 minutes na lang po, tapos na yung 5 minutes. So dapat matanggap na namin yung email ng small committee report, Madam Chair.
Again, we will revert back to you on that, Honorable Chanco.
So, yan, nakikita niyo Pasensya na, antok na
Again,
ako.
the committee secretary to
So, proceed tayo sa isa. In-interview si Toby Chanco ng mga media. So, tingnan natin how he responded. So, 20 minutes na pala. Maiksi lang ito, maiksi lang. Yan.
Swansea yun di ba? Kaya nga, sinasabi ko, hindi naman siya yung chairman at that time. So, ang talagang makakasagot lang noon is Congressman Saldico, who is still a member of the House now. So, I think naman may authority yung leadership na patawag siya and ask him to explain.
And
That is the first sign of seriousness pagdating po dito sa bagay.
nabanggit nyo rin kanina pareho lang yung COMSEC. So you cannot get it from the COMSEC?
Yes, but I mean, those people are just doing their jobs, di ba? Wag naman sila yung pagtuunan natin. Nagtatrabaho lang po yung mga yun.
Okay.
But Saldi ko ang kailangan.
Si Saldico, kailangan.
Well, Kong Toby, there is that proposal to replace the small committee with a larger subcommittee with 10 members, but you did point out the absence of independent lawmakers there. Why is it so important, Congressman, that there be independent lawmakers in that subcommittee?
First of all, that is at least they have accepted my proposal, and that's a good way moving forward. Kasi hindi naman yung size ng committee ang gaanong kahalaga doon Ang importante is gagawin namin yung pareho ng ginagawa ng Senate na kapag na-approve na on second reading, wala nang papalitan, di ba? Kasi ang nangyari the last budget is binigyan namin ng kapangyarihan yung small committee na palitan kung ano man yung in-approve namin doon sa second reading. Di ba? Kaya nga napakahalaga ng role ni Congressman Saldico dito para maliwanagan itong mga bagay na ito. No? I think the best thing for him is just to explain, di ba? Kung valid naman explanation, ano naman dapat niyang ikatakot. Wala naman,
Oo.
di ba? Ngayon, yung sa independent, that's the reason why I asked kung sino-sino yung composition ng Committee on Budget Amendments yung tawag nila. No? Kaya ako tinanong yan is para malaman kung sino-sino.
Okay. Anyway, hindi na importante yan. Ang mahalaga ay importante. Hinantok na ako. So anyway, ang abangan na lang natin. Dito makikita kasi yung listahan na hiningi ni Toby Chanco. Doon mo makikita kung sino ang may pakana sa mga flood control projects. Yan. Okay? So with that, I'm wishing you a good morning. Matulog na muna tayo. Ben Reclamador. Hindi naman kasi si Swansing ang in charge sa budget last year. Si Saldico po ang in charge doon. Siyang inassign ni Tambaloslos. Ben Reclamador, barking up the wrong tree. Si Toby, hindi po. Okay lang yun. Kung si Saldi, alam ba naman nga si Swansing, dapat alam ni Swansing yun. Ang tanong naman ni Toby Chanco po, Ben, ay pahingi ng record. Ang problema kay Swansing, hindi siya nagbibigay ng record. Mali-mali ang sagot niya. Ang sagot niya parang nagtatago tuloy, suspitsan tuloy siya. Good morning, si Benvenido Requetillo, Valeria Serna, so Bixby, sino pa? So yan lang muna, no? At hope we will all sleep. And mga replay, please join my channel. At saka yung mga hindi kung pwede lang ay i-share and like nyo po. Subscribe, pati iyan lang po ang magbibigay sa akin inspirasyon. At saka paki-share naman para umabot tayo, malalaki ang komunidad natin. At kung malaking komunidad natin, marami ang maniniwala sa katotohanan, katarungan, at para pagdating ng sunod na eleksyon, maalam na sila bumoto kung sino dapat iboto. Yan na po ang ating pakiusap. Magandang umaga po, bayan. At saka si kay Mercy Narvaza Zoke, tama naman si Toby Chanco, dapat si Saldico ang sumagot dahil siya ang nakakaalam ng mga pagnanakaw nila sa flood control project. Maraming maganda.